everyone, welcome back to KentuckyKoozie. Today, we're diving into a topic that warms our hearts and our homes. The history of firewood. From ancient times to modern living, firewood has played a crucial role in human survival, culture, and even innovation. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's get into it. Fire has been a part of human existence for hundreds of thousands of years. The ability to create and control fire was a game changer for our ancestors. It provided warmth, protection, and a means to cook food. Early humans likely gathered wood from their surroundings, sticks, branches, and logs. This reliance on natural resources set the stage for the history of firewood. Archaeological evidence suggests that our early ancestors used fire not just for survival, but also for social gatherings. Imagine sitting around a fire, sharing stories and bonding over a meal. That's where the cultural significance of firewood began. As civilizations grew, so did our relationship with firewood. In ancient Rome, for example, wood was a vital resource for heating homes and cooking. The Romans even developed advanced techniques for charcoal production, which allowed for higher temperatures and better cooking. In China, the use of firewood evolved into art and craftsmanship. The practice of woodblock printing emerged during the Tang Dynasty, showcasing not just the utility of wood, but its cultural significance. Different types of wood became prized for their qualities, from strength to fragrance. Fast forward to the medieval period, and firewood was essential for survival. In Europe, wood was the primary source of fuel for heating and cooking. Communities often depended on local forests, leading to the establishment of wood rights and regulations. The consequences of deforestation were becoming apparent, prompting early conservation efforts. Wood became so valuable that it was often traded and even taxed. The saying cutting wood for the king emerged, emphasizing its importance not just for families, but for entire kingdoms. The Industrial Revolution brought significant changes to how we sourced and used firewood. The rise of coal as a dominant fuel source began to overshadow wood, but that didn't mean firewood was forgotten. It still held its place in homes, especially in rural areas. Modern wood stoves and fireplaces became more efficient, making firewood a viable option for heating homes. The environmental movement in the 20th century also led to a resurgence in interest for sustainable firewood practices, like responsible harvesting and the use of renewable resources. Today, firewood is more than just a source of heat, it's a lifestyle. Backyard fire pits, camping trips, and cozy nights in front of the fireplace have made firewood a central part of modern living. Not to mention, the craft of woodworking and the DIY culture has brought new life to how we view wood. From hickory for barbecuing to cherry for that sweet aroma, the variety of firewood available today allows people to personalize their experience. And with the growing awareness of sustainability, more folks are looking to source their firewood locally. So there you have it. A brief journey through the fascinating history of firewood. Whether you're warming your home or gathering with friends, firewood has played an essential role in our lives for centuries. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite firewood memories in the comments below. Until next time, keep that fire burning.